Hey guys, welcome back. Margot,
Yeah.
here we are with another drawing. So, what do you want me to draw?
How much drawings do we have to? No, how much drawing video? How much drawing videos do we have to do?
Okay, no, we don't have to do any specific number. We have 15 right now, I guess.
What?
Yeah, and we can do whatever we want. I mean, if they like it, we can keep them. Yeah. Wait, what?
Cute submarine.
A submarine. Oh, so no, it's submarine. Good.
I
A
said submarine.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, let's try this one out this way. So first of all, probably the body of the submarine will be a sort of an oval. So let's try to do that properly, like this. Yeah, that will work. And then we have, for sure, a submarine has something on top of it that, you know, looks like that. And it has a sort of, well, I don't think I know the name in English for it. Probably a periscope or something. So it's basically a sort of a pipe in here that has, you know, a glass for looking through it. So imagine that the submarine is underwater and this one is above water, so it can see around. And then probably one thing that we need is, Margot, do you know how this is called for, you know, moving underwater? Actually, twister, probably. Yeah. Okay, a twister. Fair enough.
I have no idea what it's called, but I just call it twister.
Okay, let's go for the twister. And then we have a couple of fins that make the submarine to go straight. And then usually submarines have a big like glass in front. You can take that, Margot. And a few windows as well. Let's make them circle or something, like one big and one smaller, and obviously it has the glass inside here. Okay, so it's already looking pretty well. Probably just for colored purposes. We can have a separation in here. A usual like we did for the space rocket as well. A couple of, you know, screws here and there could be good enough. In the meantime, you can hear that Margot is drawing on her own. And oh look, let's make a couple of holes here just to make it a little bit more creative. And that's basically it. Do we want to put a face on it for making it cuter?
Right here.
Okay, what kind of face do you want? A wing or just a smile or laughing?
So like you put the smile there,
And then
you do a cute eye.
cute means the round eyes, or you know, the like rainbow eye or something, like the wing.
The round eye.
The round eyes. Okay.
It's like rocket eyes.
Okay. So let's make it to smile like a lot. And put the usual black thing in here, and then we do just a little here and a big one here, and we color part of it.
I did not mention that.
Yeah, but I did on my own. And then eventually, just because we were talking about water, what we can do is so it's understandable that it goes.
How were we talking about water?
I was talking about it earlier when you were drawing.
Okay.
And probably,
Wait.
do you want a few bubbles as well around you?
No.
No, just like that.
Wait.
Yeah.
The reason why I was like carefully so the camera doesn't see my hand because you said that.
Okay, no, that's fine. It's absolutely fine. Okay, so let's be. Are we going to stop here, or do you need any other details, or is
Do
it?
the rainbow above, like do the land and then the rainbow.
No, it's too much. We are talking just about a cute submarine here. Okay, so eventually we are good with this. So, folks, if you are happy with it, you can try to draw it on your own and see each other on our other next drawing.
But
Okay?
we have 3 more.
We have, I don't know, we're gonna have how many we want.
5.
5? Okay.
Yay.
Guys,
Four.
bye. Bye, guys.